Hey there, and welcome to the series on the art of seduction. I'm sharing everything that I learned because I know somebody out there is experiencing the same thing that I'm experiencing. Okay, we are all the fucking same, just living different lives. We are all consciousness, we're just awareness. Sit down and meditate, you're just awareness, you're just presence. That's everybody. And we all have the same emotions, the negative ones and the positive ones. So let's get to this shit. Okay, we're gonna talk about seduction. You're gonna get to a point where you're gonna be so good at approaching these women. So good that when you miss an opportunity, you're gonna be like, you're gonna be some type of pain there because you know you could talk to this chick. But this is coming from a place of lack. Because you're coming from a place of, oh, what could have happened? I could have had her. She was so fine. I really wanted that. That's coming from lack. It is coming from lack. A person who is complete, who is full, self-validated, has self-love, doesn't need the woman, doesn't need to feel some sort of lack or think that they're missing something just because they didn't approach or that approach was lost. You get what I'm saying? You must feel self-love. You must feel fulfilled and grounded, just being present, being joyful and happy for the present. This is so profound. This has been happening to me a few times in the past, but I was really in a like down vibration, kind of like, I don't know what the feeling is, but I wasn't feeling good about it because I knew I could have done it, and I felt bad that I didn't. I felt bad. That's the feeling. I felt bad that I didn't approach. And so I talked to my coach, and my coach said, you have to let go before and after. So you have to have the feelings of being full and complete, regardless of you approaching, regardless of she saying yes or no. Regardless, you are present, you are full of joy, you're full of happiness, you're happy about you, about where you're at in life. You're here right now. This is the present. This is the gift. Wow, I didn't mean to do that. But life is a present from the universe. It is a gift. And that is all you need. Because if you want something, you can visualize it, you can feel the feelings of having it, and it's already here. You can raise your vibration doing gratitude, visualization, meditation, working out, doing something for others. I just got the chills. That will give you self-worth, self-love, and self-fulfillment. I'm going to leave you with this quote because it's what gets me feeling happy about myself. And it doesn't have to be, and it doesn't have to do about me. It has nothing to do about me. A life lived for others is a life truly worth living. Go out there and give. Give advice. Be kind to people. Give your kindness. Give gifts. That is a life worth living and a life of fulfillment. So going back to seduction, this is all linked. If you approach and she rejects you, you're fulfilled. You're happy about yourself. You love yourself. If you get it, good. You still are happy and love yourself. And if you experience what I'm experiencing, you see a fine woman, curvy, beautiful, big ass, everything, right? Perfect. But you don't approach for whatever reason, you're already full and happy and complete. You don't need it. You don't need it. And coming from that place of not needing it and not wanting it and just living in the moment is what's going to attract it to you. I hope you like this one. Comment below. Tell me if this resonated with you. And until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check below for more resources. I love you. Peace.